We are the Eldo shARks team number 93521A from Washington Middle School, Eldo, Arkansas, and we are researching the use of robots to monitor water quality through data collection. Monitoring provides the objective evidence necessary to make the choices on managing water quality now and in the future. Water quality monitoring is used to alert us to current and emerging problems, to determine compliance with drinking water, and to protect aquatic environments. One of the robots used for this is an ROV, which stands for Remotely Operated Vehicles. These vehicles usually are connected to a tether. Part of the reason we chose to do this is that there is potential for incidents with oil wells and chemical companies in our area that could have an impact on water quality.
Let's talk about the different types of sensors that are used to monitor water quality. The O2 sensor is used to detect oxygen levels in the water. Oxygen is important in aquatic ecosystems because the fish and the other aquatic wildlife cannot survive without oxygen. Phosphate sensors detect phosphate levels in the water. The additions of phosphates can speed up the eutrophication process and is also the nutrient that limits the growth of the aquatic plants. The salinity sensor precisely measures the total dissolved salt content of ocean or brackish water. Too much salt can kill wildlife. A temperature sensor is a device that detects and measures hotness and coolness and converts it into an electric signal. pH meter, an electric device used to measure hydrogen ion activity, acidity, and alkalinity in solution. Water that is too acidic removes sodium in the blood and oxygen in the tissues from fish and other aquatic species. Cameras can be considered sensors and provide visual data about underwater ecosystem. Ultrasonic sensors work by emitting sound waves at a frequency too high for humans to hear. Then they wait for the sound to be reflected back, calculating the distance based on the time required. This can be used to detect aquatic animals. All of this is used to collect data to determine the quality of water in an aquatic environment. Data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest in an established systematic fashion that enables one to answer stated research questions, test hypotheses, and evaluate outcomes.
Doc Cricket is a real-world example we researched. It is an unmanned ROV that is powered and controlled from the surface through a long tether. The ROV, based at Monterey Bay Research Aquarium Institute, is about the size of a minivan and can drive to a depth of 4,000 meters. The Doc Crickets has a dissolved O2 sensor and manipulator arms where other sensors could be moved depending on the mission. We've researched the different types of ROVs and the different types of sensors such as O2, phosphates, salinity, temperature, and nitrates. We also researched real-life examples such as Doc Crickets. Our solution is to use a smaller ROV with multiple sensors to examine smaller waterways, such as those found around our area in Arkansas. Our water robotics team already has an ROV we can use and equipped with sensors. Currently, data collection will have been done manually by hand, but we would want to automate this process in the future so the ROV records to an SD card. If we were to build our own ROV, the basic cost would be about $315.44 with just the camera and temperature sensor. The cost for additional sensors would be $1,051.18. As tested with just the temperature sensor, the ROV seemed promising. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something.